everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a mani tutorial. I don't think I've been doing much of tutorials. I've been mainly doing like reviews slash tutorial, but this time I just want to do a tutorial. You know, I'm feeling kind of stressed right now. So yeah, I just want to relax with you guys, and I know a lot of you guys love to see tutorials, not just reviews. So I'm probably gonna start doing I'm gonna try to do more tutorials, not super long ones, but let me show you what I have. So I'll be posting a review on these ULG gel polish. These are so pretty. They're so opaque. So that's what I have on my nails. And this one is number 32. And let me just show you. It's a beautiful blue. So that's what I have on my nails. And then we're gonna be using this Born Pretty Flakies. These are gold. Now I want to show you what I have on mine. I have on mine doing something like this, but this is actually made with regular polish. But since I'm doing swatches on the gel polish, I was like, oh, it's almost the same blue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this mani to kind of do the tutorial that I already had in mind. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be using this plate from Beauty Big Bang, which is XL075. It's a beautiful, beautiful plate, and the image I'm gonna be using is this one right here. So, and I'll probably have some rhinestones. Alright, so I don't have anything planned, so I'm just gonna try to see if the flakies stick to my polish, because I already have it top coat and everything. I just want something shiny and beautiful on my nails, and it is sticking to my nails, so I don't need to do anything else. You can always add some glue, you know, but since this is like just gel polish, I didn't really want to add any glue. I mean, you could just like whenever you're doing foils, kind of like that, something for your flakies to stick to your nails. But as you guys can see, it's actually sticking to my nails. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're gonna go ahead and stamp on the top of this. Make sure you rub this to your nail really good so it will stay on your nails. Now I mentioned, if you guys watch my videos, I mentioned that I give it last time I give a buff to my gel nails, just because I wanted the polish to stick to on top of my nails, you know, my gel nails. And we're gonna try, I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp over them without doing the buff, see how it works, and hopefully this time it will stamp good. And what I'm doing here is just making sure that the flakies are actually sticking to my nails. That's why I'm just going over. Now when you work with these kind of flakies, you kind of got to be careful, because try not to breathe on top of the container, because they'll probably end up all over the place. So we're going to go ahead and cover them. Okay. To make sure I don't have any problems. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and dust my nails. Ooh, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but everything's flying everywhere. But definitely you want to do this. Don't want to skip this step, because you know, you don't want to end up with flakies all over your stamping polish or whatever you're using. Okay. So this is how the nails look. They look really pretty. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my plate, and then I'm gonna pick up this image with some white polish. I could have done it black, but I really want I want the image to pop, so that's the reason why I'm doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and get a stamper. I forgot, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and hopefully this stamper works good because some of my stampers been acting crazy lately. Some of the sticky ones got so sticky that it's impossible to work with. I think I'm gonna probably get some soap and wash them. Give them a little wash just so they can go back to normal. I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but that's what I'm thinking. So you're gonna place your image. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp the rest of my nails, and then I'll be back at the end of the video to talk to you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is how my nails look. As you guys can see, they look really nice. So what I'm gonna do, the last thing I want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and top coat, and before I cure it, I want to add a rhinestone to the middle of the flowers. Oh, and before you actually dip your brush back on your top coat, make sure you wipe it or rinse it, because you don't want to end up with flakies on your top coat. Even though I already used the brush to kind of get rid of all those flakies, still I feel like you could probably end up with some flakies on your top coat if you don't. So just give it a wipe or stick it in some acetone or alcohol before you stick it back in your bottle. Now, before I cure this, I want to go ahead and apply my rhinestone on my flowers, because you know I want the rhinestone to stick to the top coat. And that way I don't have to go back and apply some gel glue to, you know, apply it to my nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. While that's curing, I'm just gonna close all my bottles. And the stamping polish that I use is this Born Pretty store. It works so well. I used to love using my Moon Nails polish. I don't know what it is. It seems like I don't really like how it works lately. So I've been using a lot of the Born Pretty store and a lot of the Beauty Big Bang. I really like Beauty Big Bang too. So let me just show you guys. So this is how the mani looks. Of course I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, because this is like kind of some acetone or whatever, and you know. But that's how my mani looks. I will leave some pictures at the end of the video. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Again, you can also do this with a regular polish, and this is how it's gonna look. I think it looks really nice too. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of videos, let me know on the comments. And thank you for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.